So have a look at these types of logarithms. Some of these you will recognize. We've done these before. 3 to what power gives 9. The exponent you put on 3 to get 9. The exponent you put on 2 to get 8. The exponent you put on 5 to get 1 over 25. I know it's negative. Look at this. You notice a difference in this and all of the ones that we've talked about up to now is that there's no number at the bottom of the G. Over the last several hundred years, what has evolved in the world of logarithms is if it is a 10, we don't even bother writing it. We just write log without the number at the bottom, and it's understood to be a 10. This is called common logarithms, base 10. 10 to what power gives 100. Here's some. What exponent do you put on 10 to get 1,000? What exponent you put on 10 to get 10,000? You notice a pattern there in the zeros. This one, however, you cannot do. The exponent you put on 10 to get 50, it's not a 1, that's 10. It's not a 2, that's 100. It's certainly not a 5, that'd be 100,000. And so we don't know what that is. Well, fortunately, we've got our calculator. The LOG button on our calculator does exactly that, log base 10. And so if we just type the log 50 on our calculator, we get the log base 10 of 50. Let's look at this other one. Ln with no number at the bottom is called a natural logarithm. There is a base, it just happens to be the natural base, which is base e. Now on our calculator, we just use the Ln button. Now let me show you about solving equations. And here we've got the log base 10 of x. So I'll put the 10 on there. Then we convert to exponentials. Here's the 3 steps. Base, that's the 10. The logarithm is the exponent, that's the 2.88. And then the other number is the x. And so this is the answer. We can type that in our calculator if we need a decimal value. It's another equation to solve. The ln x means the log base e of x. Put the e on there, change it into exponentials. The base, e, the logarithm is the exponent, that's the 4. The other number is the x. We have just solved for the x. Now again, we can type that on our calculator if we need a decimal value.